morning, everyone, and right now we are on deck. I've just woken up. It's about 6:30, and right now we are at Royal Caribbean's private destination in Haiti called Labadee. I totally missed the arrival of it, but let's go check it out. Alright, ladies and gents, there it is. Labadee, Haiti. Very beautiful to say the least. Alright guys, we just got back from an amazing breakfast at the Windjammer, and right now we're in the cabin and I'm going to get in my bathing suit and get ready for an amazing snorkeling time at Labadee, Haiti. And we are officially off the ship and on the dock here at Labadee, Haiti. Alrighty folks, we are officially out in Labadee, Haiti. It is beautiful. The water is crystal clear. There's so many plants. There's dancers and a band going out over there. I love the vibe here. And right now we are just waiting for our snorkel and speedboat excursion to start. So we'll go do that in a minute.
Ready?
Yeah!
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Alright, we have everything on and we're ready to hop in the water. Oh, that feels nice. Wow, that was so amazing. We saw some amazing coral reefs and fish. I've only seen such beautiful coral reefs and that kind of stuff in movies, and it's so cool to see it in real life. Now we're hopping back on the boat to head to and snorkel excursion. I had such a fun time snorkeling in the coral reef and seeing the Canon underwater and all that cool stuff, and it was really cool to take the motorboat ride around Labadee and Labadee village, and it was really fast, and he also told us about all the history of the place. Now we're just gonna hang out around Labadee and we'll see what we do in Labadee. Right now we are at Dragon's Plaza at Labadee, and we are now going to head onto the tram and take the tram around the island. Okay, so we just got off the tram and now we're going to go eat some lunch at Labadee Cafe. They are putting on a gymnastics show for us as we eat. Let's go check it out. That was an amazing gymnastics show they put on for us. Now I'm gonna finish my food, and after we eat, we're gonna head to the ocean and go for a swim. Wow, oh wow, that was some great food there at the Labadee Cafe. And now we're in the ocean, so let's go swimming. Okay, so we are in the ocean right now. Very beautiful. Right there is the zip lines above us. Very fun looking. That is the roller coaster right on that mountain. The water's very warm, nice, and beautiful, and I'm definitely enjoying it right now. We're back at Dragon's Plaza, and right behind me is a walking path, and we're gonna go do that before we have to hop back on the ship. Alrighty folks, after such a fun day here at Labadee, Haiti, we are on the pier right now, heading back on board the Oasis of the Seas. I'm very sad that we're leaving the island, but we have some very fun things scheduled for tonight. And yeah, let's head back onto the ship. Alright guys, it's 3:30, which means they're about to drop the ropes, and that also means we're about to sail away. Wow, that was an amazing sail away from Labadee, Haiti. And right now I'm actually in the Bionic Bar, and I'm going to get a drink made by a robot. Let's go try it. Alright, I got the Tutti Frutti, so let's give it a try. That is the best drink I've ever gotten made by a robot, and the only one I've ever gotten made by a robot. Okay, so that was a very fun time at the Bionic Bar. I've never had a drink come from a robot, so that was very cool. But I do have some sad news. Cruise director Ricky just came over the announcement and said something very sad, so I'm gonna play that announcement for you now.
A technical issue we are unable to resolve at this time. All scheduled AQUA 80 shows have been cancelled for the cruise.
So as you sadly just heard, the cruise director Ricky just came over the announcement and said that all AQUA shows have been canceled for the whole cruise because of a technical issue. I'm very sad, but to try to lighten the mood, I'm gonna go to the Schooner Bar, which is right behind me, and I'm going to do some trivia. So let's go. Alrighty guys, trivia was just very fun there in the Schooner Bar. It was fun answering all the random questions they gave us. But tonight is white night, so right now I'm in the room and I'm gonna get changed out of my outfit right now. I don't really have anything that's like white, I guess, but I do have a button up that's pink, blue, and white stripes, so I think that should do. So let's go get changed for white night. Alright guys, so here's my outfit for white night. It is the pink and blue and white striped shirt I was talking about. I think this should work for white night, and I'm very excited to see other people's outfits for white night too. So now, let's go leave the cabin and head to the MDR for some white night dinner.
Tomorrow will be a very quiet night in the time.
Oh, that's right. Okay, so we just got back from white night and Italian dinner. I got this for my appetizer. It was very good. I got the pasta for my main dish. And for dessert, I got this amazing bar. It was so good, and we just went down the Ultimate Abyss slides. That was very fun, and now we're just gonna hang out around the ship and see what we do next. All right, we have spotted the piano man in the elevator.
Baby, when I turn it on through my city. What does your shirt say? Oh my God.
I was like,
Sunshine in my pocket, going so phenomenally.
sorry, it's my phone. I hit the...
Ooh, I can take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. I'm about to let it out there, don't stop under the night, when everything goes.
Okay, that was really cool to see the man playing the piano in the elevator. I love watching those on my past cruise and all that, so it was pretty cool. All right, we're gonna go see the Ron Lucas ventriloquist show. So it should be really good. I'll film what I can, and the highlights will be on your screen now.
Before in your life, Michael?
Never.
Have you ever been a dummy before in your life, Michael?
No.
Have you ever been a dummy before in your life, Michael? Okay, Michael. I am not even touching you anymore, but I got the cable. What do you think? I like this. I like this a lot. Why the heck do you need to do this sooner? I wasn't thinking. No, you weren't. Got one of these things for Nerleen? One where the jaw doesn't work? Can you stand here and hold my goodies? We can do an ending. That would work. Can you sing? Nod your head yes or no. I can sing. You're gonna do it, aren't you, Ron? Yes. I ain't no dummy. We can do a quick song, I'll let you go. Hurry. Are you in a rush to get off stage? Yes, I have a wife to deal with. Come on, you have a lovely family. You love them? Kinda, sort of, what the heck? Okay. They're all here. I'm sorry I'm laughing. My grandfather was German. Español, sí. Could you count to 10? ¿Cuántos? 10. 1, 2, 3, hasta 10. Claro. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ladies and gentlemen, George. Yes. George. Yeah. You're here. No, I'm here.
Let's hear for Ron Lucas.
Just got back from the Ron Lucas ventriloquist show in the Royal Theater. It was so great. He is an amazing comedian and he's really good at ventriloquism. I enjoyed it. But now it's pretty late and I'm gonna head off to bed. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get notified whenever we post another one of these great videos here in this Oasis of the Seas vlog series. As always, my name's Holden and you've been watching Cruising Golden.